Hi everyone, in this lesson video we are going to be making a three-dimensional snowflake. I'm not going to complete my snowflake necessarily in this video, but I am going to show you how you are going to complete yours. This is what each petal, I guess I'm calling it a petal, of your snowflake is going to look like, okay? But I have to show you how to get there. So let me set this aside, and you are going to have a template. This is going to just show you where to draw your lines, and you're going to have a piece of paper that is 6 inches by 6 inches. And the first thing you need to do is fold it like a triangle, just like that. And you want to make sure you're point to point and your folding is pretty accurate, okay? The next thing you're going to do is take your template and you want to line it up. The point is on the open side, so this long flat edge is here, and you're just going to trace the line. This is going to tell you where to cut. So now I'm going to take my big scissors and I'm going to cut on this line. The paper, as you can see, is still folded. Okay, and now we open it up. Now for this lesson video, I'm using regular Scotch tape, but I'm going to have double-sided tape for you. I'm going to show you how I make this tape work for this lesson. So the first thing I'm going to do is the inside part here, and I'm just going to first take it and bend it like this, okay? So I don't have any tape yet, but I know how it's going to go. So now I'm going to take a piece of tape and I'm going to fold this so it sticks onto each other like that. Okay, can you see that? Now I'm going to turn this side, put the tape here, and then tape the other side together like that so it stays like this. Now the double-sided tape makes that part a little bit easier. So there's the first side. Now I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm first going to take these two ends and I'm just going to know that that's how I'm going to fold it. Okay? And I'm going to let that go, take my tape, and I have to roll this around on itself like that. And then I put this in place. This goes here. And I tape that down. Okay. One more. Flip this over. Same things. I'm just going to curve this back just so I know how it's going to go and where I'm going to be putting my tape. So now I let that go. I make my last little tape loop. Okay, this can be kind of hard. And I turn this way. Now see, it goes on this side. And just like that. And I hold it like that. There. Now I have two made, and these are going to get taped together down here like this. I'm going to do that right now just so you get an idea. I'm going to use a little bit bigger piece. Tape, oops, tape that around. And then this, this part, we got a lot of papers here. They go point to point, and we just pinch it together. So now we have two petals of our snowflake. They're not really petals, but I just don't know what to call them. All right, I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to start another one. Take this, fold it in half, press that down, get my template. Now you are going to need about 6 of these, so you might want to just start by folding all 6 and doing this tracing part to all 6 so you can get that part out of the way. If I was doing it, that's what I would do. Keep it easy. And now I'm going to cut, 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 cut. Open it up. I'm first going to, I like to flip it over to start, And I'm going to take these two, the inside ones first, and I like to do this just to give it a start at bending the paper to where it's supposed to go. And this also tells me where I'm supposed to be putting that tape. Make my little tape loop, my own double-sided tape. Put this here and flip this over and pinch it. Flip it, and I'm going to do the same thing again. I give it a start. Okay, I know where I'm going with this. You get the hang of it after a while. The first one or two might be a little tricky, but you will get the hang of it. And I'll flip it over. And this goes this way. I'm going to make my loop. Put this here, and this one gets on top of it. All right, so now I have three. I'm going to make my last little thing here, and that's all I'm going to do for the video. Let's get that one back in here. And this is going to go here, so I'm going to put the tape and the tape. So now I've pinched that together. I've got 3 parts to my snowflake. Well, have fun, and I can't wait for you to finish yours.